Lot number 404 is a 2015 Isuzu NQR sweeper, Tymco sweeper, 435 model air sweeper. This unit is one of the nicest sweepers I've seen in a while. The motor sounds great. The kicker motor is a Kubota 4-cylinder diesel, which is running right now at the moment. I don't know how to operate this machine that well, but I was able to turn the brushes, turn on the vacuum. I started playing with some switches there, and up to now everything appears to be operational, but I can't vouch for that. But I can tell you one thing, that the machine appears to be complete and it appears to be operational, but don't hold me to it. Alrighty, let me show you what I see. The cab, I flipped it forward so I can show you the engine. It's got a 5.2 liter diesel, which sounds great. It's got the light bar on the roof. The body is nice, the cab is nice. The water sprayers are there in place. The kicker motor has 1,800 hours. The truck has 72,000 miles. Let me show you the engine. Let's go to the engine first. The tires look great. Look at those tires. Lots of thread, all 6 of them. Listen to this engine. I know you can't hear it very well now because we got the vacuum on, but it does sound really good. All right, the brushes look good. They come out. They have a gutter button that brought them out as well. The vacuum right now is on and it's sucking in air. Let me open this, see what this is. What's in here? All right, here's the kicker motor. It's running. Sounds great. Let me see if I can open more of these doors. Here. Cylinder. The strobes are on. The light bar works. Here, another compartment here. Can't see much there. This is for the rear hatch, which this has a tilt mechanism. Here's another door. I did notice this little bit of rust here, there's a rust hole. That's the lid that has the rust penetrating through. You see they got the bolts here. So that's a lid that could be replaced. But the rest of the housing looks pretty good. Here's the other brush. Here's the motor. I want to show you the cab, but I took pictures from all angles so you can look at the pictures. The chassis is nice, no rust, no surface rust, nothing like that. The interior is nice, the seats are nice, the headliner is good, steering wheel is nice, the floor looks good. Door panels look good. That's pretty much it. Look at the pictures and look for yourself and determine yourself. Those of you who know what this is can appreciate it. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. Good luck. Thank you. Bye-bye.